Hello guys, this is Varun from Text My Way, and in this tutorial I'll be showing how you can save passwords or force save passwords in Google Chrome. So this will be a quick guide, so let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome's and go to settings by tapping on the three vertical dots from upper right corner and select settings. Here just scroll down to bottom and click advanced. Here you will find a password and forms tab. Just click on the manage passwords option, turn on the option, and also enable this auto sign in option. It will help you once you have saved your password in Google Chrome for certain websites. It will automatically sign in to your credentials, using your credentials to any account you have saved the passwords for. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.